how to change the language of the BeReal app on Android. I'm just able to show you that on Android because I don't know it on iOS obviously, but on Android it's pretty simple. There is no way to change the language in the settings. We can look that up. I click on my profile and like on the three dots at the upper right corner, there is no way to kind of change the language. But I can use another trick. And the trick is to just use the mobile device language. So I go into my settings and there I have, it's a Xiaomi device in this case, I have my additional settings or my language settings. And then I go to languages and input, the second box here, languages and input. And I click on language and I use, for example, German, Deutsch in my language. Go back to the app and restart it. And by restarting it, it's now in German. So I didn't restart it, but when I do this, it will show up in German. That's the trick how to change the language on Android.